Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the Protimeter Technician's Kit. Included in the kit is our dual-function Surveymaster moisture meter. This has non-invasive technology as well as pin-type technology. The next instrument we have included in the kit is our Hygromaster L. This instrument is a super fast responding hygrometer with psychrometric calculations such as grains per pound, grams per kilogram and dew point. It also has the replaceable, removable humidity probe. Also included in the kit is our heavy-duty hammer electrode for taking measurements in things like hardwood floors, our 5-inch long insulated deep wall probes, they just measure on the tip here, and our extension pin probe to help you take moisture measurements in awkward or hard to reach areas. The whole kit comes in this hard carry case. That's the Protimeter Technician's Kit.